Hi,
Hi,
where are you from?
I'm from China.
China. Did you visit historical places of Pakistan?
Yeah, I just visited Pakistan. Visit.
Lahore,
Yeah, Lahore, Islamabad, and Monday I will go to Karachi.
Karachi. And did you like this place, Badshahi Masjid, Shahi Kila?
Yes, I like this place. The Pakistan people are very friendly. They always say hello to me and give me some help. Yeah. Pakistan people told me Pakistan and the Chinese are brother.
Yeah, because China helped Pakistan in industrial and also in development of Pakistan.
Yeah, I also met some Chinese people in Pakistan. I also have a friend in Pakistan. So they are from Huawei or ZTE, some or China Mobile. They work in Pakistan.
So, can you speak Urdu?
Urdu?
You know Urdu, our language, Pakistani language,
No, I cannot. Sorry, I
or
can speak.
Punjabi?
No, I just speak English. Sorry.
Okay, can you say Pakistan Zindabad?
Pakistan in the language?
Yeah.
No. Actually, this is my first time to come to Pakistan, so I don't know.
Okay, just say Lor Lore.
Lo de.
And
What's meaning?
its meaning Lahore is Lahore.
Oh. Pakistan Sindaba. Many Chinese people want to work in Pakistan. They think Pakistan people are very nice, and the government always gives some good policies to support the business between Pakistan and China. So I think that's why Chinese and Pakistan have good relationship. Yeah, yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.
And welcome in Pakistan.
Thank you. Thank you.